Take a ride in the 2020 Silverado 2500HD. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 6.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, hill descent control, trailer brake controller, remote keyless entry, engine block heater, fog lamps. Inside you'll find steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power outlet, cloth seat trim, floor mats. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.